Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pet Search, Adopt a Pet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Pet Search is an adoption-focused app designed to help users find pets available at local shelters and rescue organizations. It provides detailed profiles of dogs, cats, and other animals, including photos, age, breed, temperament, and adoption requirements. The app is available on both iOS and Android and pulls listings from trusted rescue networks to make the adoption process easier and more transparent. The app's main feature is its powerful search and filter system. You can browse by breed, size, age, distance, and shelter. Pet Search also lets you save favorite animals, set alerts for new matches, and directly contact shelters for adoption steps. It aims to simplify discovering adoptable pets and connecting potential owners with the right companion. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clean interface, high-quality pet photos, and broad selection of adoptable animals. The ability to receive notifications when new pets appear is especially helpful for people looking for specific breeds or ages. Users also find it convenient that the app consolidates listings from multiple shelters into one place. However, there are some drawbacks. Some listings may be outdated because adoption statuses depend on shelter updates. Response times from shelters can vary, and certain profiles may lack detailed information. Additionally, availability depends on your region. Users in smaller areas may see fewer animals listed. In summary, the Pet Search app may be worth using if you want an easy, organized way to browse adoptable pets, receive alerts for new listings, and connect with shelters faster. However, if you prefer visiting shelters directly or require real-time availability updates, relying solely on the app might not be ideal. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.